Hello friends, Swati here. Welcome to Swati's Creative Art. Today I will show you how to make banana with clay. Take a small yellow color clay ball and roll it with your fingers. Make both the ends pointed. Now give it a curve shape like this. Make the ends pointed. Take the scissors and cut both the pointed ends. Now take a knife tool and flatten both the sides of the banana. Now flatten the back side and the front side too. You can press it with your fingers also. Be careful. Now for peeled banana, take white color clay ball and repeat the same. Make the ends bit pointed. Now take yellow color clay ball and press it with your finger. Take a knife tool and cut the sides to give it a rectangular shape. Now cover the white banana with this yellow clay, the half of the banana with this yellow clay. Join the edges properly, seal them so that the joints are not visible. Roll it and make the end pointed. Now cut this pointed end with the scissors. Now take white and yellow clay ball, flatten them. See the thickness? Flatten the yellow clay also. Now place the white clay over the yellow clay. Press them properly. Now take a cutter and give it the shape as I am showing you. See the shape? See the back side? Now repeat the same. Make 4 such shapes. Now take the needle tool and make vertical lines on the banana. Now make small horizontal lines. Do the same on the banana peel which we have made. Vertical lines and horizontal lines. Now take one peel and stick it on the banana on the yellow portion. Seal the joints properly with the tool. Repeat the same with the other peel. Seal all the joints properly. Both the bananas are ready now. Now take soft pastel and scratch it with the knife tool. Now take this powder and apply it with a soft brush as shown on the banana. Now I'm taking a black marker pen and at the bottom of it I'm giving some black marks, and on few places on the banana peel to give it a realistic look. See, both the bananas are ready. Please do like, subscribe and share my channel for more such videos in future. And yes, hit the notification button for updates. Thank you for visiting my channel. See you soon in the next video.